Shannon here, Art Junkie. How are y'all doing? Today is hashtag Tea Tuesday. And so for Tea Tuesday, I like to go through, what I've done for the week, what my plan is for next week, and that sort of stuff. The first thing I want to do is pick a card from my positivity cards. It's something to focus on for the day. Let's see what we're going to pull out today. That's a good card. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's a beautiful card. It's pink and light blue. Let's focus on being beautiful today. That's great, eh? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to read a passage. I'll drop something or something. We're going to read a passage from Melody Beattie's Journey to the Heart. And today is, what day is it? Today is 6th or something? 7th. All right, the 7th. February 7th. What is going on? All right, February 7th. Experience love for yourself. To find love, you must find it in yourself. Then the whole universe will mirror it back to you. See how people smile at you? Feel their tenderness, their affection, their respect. See how the whole world responds loving to you when you love yourself. The world around you reflects how you feel about yourself. The beliefs of many years have kept you trapped in the illusion of separateness, apartness. Your hesitancy to love yourself was mirrored in the eyes of others. But you are not alone. You are not estranged. You are not a disconnected part. You are part of the whole, intricately connected to all of life. Go out and embrace your connection. Embrace life. Watch the sunrise. Smell the cypress trees, a field of garlic, the gentle scent of the apple orchard. Feel the breeze on your cheek, the rain on your hair, and the earth beneath your feet. Stay open. Stay loving yourself. Know you are a vital part of a living universe. Watch how much better, how much kinder life is as you grow in peace and harmony with yourself. See how much more love is mirrored in the universe since you committed to loving yourself. Nice. Alrighty, so this week I made a couple baskets. I made this little basket. I ordered some darning needles, but they haven't come yet. So a friend of mine's bringing me one tonight when I go out with her. So I'll have that to darn. I also made this big one. I still have this big piece. I'm going to make my daughter one as well, or I'll give her this one and make another one. Just got to do the last little bit around here. And then we'll do that. What else did I do today? Oh, I made a nice card yesterday. I made this. Not really sure what it is. It was going to be a card, but then I didn't like it. It was too messy. But I made that other nice card. And I'm going to give that to my girlfriend. So that'll be nice. Just hold a sec. I'll go get it. There we go. This is the card I made yesterday and make the card Monday. Isn't it pretty? I like it. says this too shall pass. Made some flowers that I made. I just took different cuts of different colors of paper and I put them on there. I put some buttons on here. I use this gloss bead gel. No, 3D gloss gel. It doesn't. It shows up clear. So when you put it on and it's white, but then once it dries, it turns clear. So that's that. And I use this, which is this here. I use this. Got this from Taperlogy. Anyways, I cut a piece of that and I put that on there. And I put some of the trim here that I got from Taperlogy too. This trim is gorgeous. Look, you got some nice pink, some brown with some different there. I got some purple. I love this one. This is like a purple brown with some silver. This is a blue and a teal. Isn't that pretty? I love this stuff. This is a pure white with some silver. Some yellow with purple. Some yellow with white. Purple and blue. Pink and blue. This is purple and silver. There's a blue and a white. Purple. Blue. Isn't this stuff great? I put it in my little basket. This is pink and white. This is blue and pink. I just ordered some more of these little white, clear and white things to put on my this nice green one. Pink and blue. There's a pink. Look at this one. Oh, I love this. Turquoise and white with silver sparkles. Some more blue and white. So, yeah, I got some more of these plastic things to put on my my other fabric things, you know. Anyway, so I used this on the side for that. And I wrote, this too shall pass. She's having a hard time, and I just wanted to let you know that, you know, I'm thinking of her. Made by Love, Art Junkie. So yeah, that's what I made yesterday for her. And that was that. What else is happening today on Art Junkie channel? I got my journal here that I made. See what else I made in here. I've already looked at that. You saw this one before. We made this one last week, Make a Difference. The little butterfly. And made this one on my live on Wednesday. Believe in yourself. And put this here, and I put some yellow trim through it. I put a little bling, or a little, what do you call this? Cluster here. I put some flowers and some red dots. Oh, that one came off. I'll have to put those on. Put some white bling. Yeah, I'll have to get a red one here to put on there. Oh, here it is. Fell off. I'll put it on here. There we go. There we go. All right, I'm gonna let that dry over here. And that's about it. What else is happening in my life? I'm making another blanket. I have my daughter's is finished. I'm going to give her hers. I meant to give it to her yesterday and I forgot. But I have hers. I'm going to give her hers. And I'm in the process of making my mother's. I bought some of these. These are different size buttons. You have the big one. It says handmade with love. And I put one on put one right there on the little bucket. And then they have the medium size ones and the little baby ones. So you can put on everything that I crochet. That'll be nice, eh? All right, so for this week coming up, what do we have going on? I got my week at a glance. I write it all down so I can remember. So yesterday we did Make a Card Monday. We did that. Monday for lives. There's a lot of lives going on Mondays if you're interested, guys. 9 a.m. we have Janet Nash going live. At 11, it's Becca. 2:30 is Lisa going live. And 6 p.m. is Lori, Paint Girly. So today is hashtag Tea Tuesday right now. And then I go out in the community in the evening. So I have that. Wednesday, Becky goes live at noon, and then I go live at 3 p.m. Thursday, I have a group on Zoom that I attend. And Friday, 10 a.m., Lori, again, Paint Girly is live. I like to watch Lori. She's funny. She cracks me up. She keeps me going. And then I'm doing a collab with Susan Howe's Art. What is the collab about this week? Let me see here. See if I can find it. Here, Stash to Treasure. February 3rd was last week. Okay, February 10th. Stickers, washi tape, masking tape, duct tape. Okay. And then the 17th is fabric, lace, twine, string, buttons. And the 24th is bead, old jewelry, sequins, glitter, rhinestones, bling bling. So that's what that is. Saturday, I do Saturday shoutouts in the morning. And then at 2 p.m. I do a live on Saturday. Also have to call my paratranspo and book my ride to visit my mom on Sunday and back. So that I do on Sunday. I go visit my mother at the seniors home. And 8:30 p.m. Mary is live. And then 10 p.m. my favorite TV show is on, Curse of Oak Island. I like to watch that. And it says side notes, make blanket, make basket. So those are the goals for the week. So I hope you guys stop by and check out my videos and check out the lives I just shared and enjoy your time. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.